back to my YouTube channel. My name is Margarita Oyaro. Happy new month to all of you, and for those who are new here, welcome, and do not forget to hit the subscription button below. So guys, as you all know, it's February. We will have our Valentine's this month and we should all look good. So I thought let me share with you on how to do our perfect eyebrows, a simple do of eyebrows. So ta-da! So guys, I'm gonna go in and brush my eyebrows quickly, then start drawing the line with my eye pencil. I'm gonna do it with the black eye pencil, then fill it in. I'll fill it in nicely. Then I go back with my brush and make it even, brush it so that it can be even. Then I'm gonna go with my Pro Concealer so that I can get the neat effect of the brows. I'm gonna use the small brush. Let's highlight it nicely and slowly, guys. Then I'm gonna go in with the bigger brush to blend it in. Make sure you have a lighter concealer so that you can highlight nicely. The shade should be lighter than your skin color. Then I'm gonna go with my foundation for the upper part of the brow. Slowly and nicely so that it comes out perfectly. Blend it in nicely. And guys, it is not even difficult. All you need is to just be keen on how you do it. So long as you know how to draw it, highlighting is not a hard thing to do. You just go with your brush and just be keen on how you do it. It's that simple. Keep doing it until you get your perfect look. I'm almost there. I'll take the sponge and blend it in and remove any excessive foundation or the concealer. Then I'm gonna go in with my concealer on the beginning so that I can get that fading effect. I'll take my pencil and draw the line so that I can highlight it nicely so that it can come out neat and clear from where it has faded. So I'm gonna go again with my pencil. I always believe that with the eyebrows, you can always look good even without any makeup, any face makeup. But so long as you have your eyebrows done, I think you're good to go. I'm gonna go with the sponge. It's a little wet to remove the excessive Pro Concealer. And there, looking good. You can see the outcome. Let's rock Valentine's. You guys do not forget to hit subscribe. Bye till next time.